At Propel Schools, we don't just prepare scholars for graduation, we prepare them for what comes next. Through our specialized high school pathways, our scholars are turning passions into careers before they even walk across the graduation stage. Welcome to Propel Andrew Street High School. Here, creativity is more than a subject, it's part of who we are. Through our arts and technology specializations, we're expanding opportunities and helping scholars transform their creativity into future possibilities.
If you step foot into Propel Andrew Street High School, it is very obvious why somebody would want this school to transform even stronger into a school of arts and technology. It was already living here.
When I first heard about these specialized tracks, the one that instantly caught my eye was music and performing arts. That's something I love to do. That's something I've been doing since the 6th grade. And so when I heard that our school was going to be specializing in that, it just made me super excited.
When I first heard about the specialty tracks, what caught my eye most was the one about tech, because for nursing, we do like a lot of tech things, and that's what I want to major in college. So I found that very interesting, in my opinion, and something that I would probably look into.
And when I think about the future, I want to be able to walk into any space, but I'm thinking about our theaters, our museums, down in labs and spaces, and I can say, like, that's a Propel Andrew Street graduate. They did that. They are the leaders of this. They are cutting edge, and there was nothing about a zip code or a barrier that stopped them at all, because we prepared them for greatness and gave them the tools to succeed at anything they wanted to do.
Knowing my school is building something that I love and inside the curriculum that we learn each and every day makes me feel like I'm heard and understood, that they care about me every single day, and they are not just wanting to teach me and get me out of here, but they want me to learn and grow and develop in my life.
I'm very excited for our school to do that, because it's an introduction into new things. And new things are good, and I feel like that's what we need for Propel Andrew Street High School. And more people, new activities, new communities, like, it's just a great thing.